This gorgeous craftsman home has a wonderful open floor plan that was built for entertaining family and friends. There is 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the second level and a teen/in-law suite in the terrace level complete with a full bath, too. The home has a beautiful kitchen with an oversized island that overlooks the great room. There are beautiful cabinets with abundant storage and quartz countertops in the kitchen. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances. The home has too many features to describe in a few words. You must come and view this home. The property has 1.39 acres plus adjacent 1.5 acre lot that must be included in the sale. Together the property will be 2.89 acres. This combined with Lick Log Creek running through the back of the lots give you space and area to enjoy nature at its finest. The schools are very good and the shopping close, too. The Creekside community has swim and tennis and a very nice golf course to enjoy with friends and family. This gorgeous home is on a cul-de-sac lot. You can have years of pleasure inside and out with the oversized lot and spacious interior.